Hi friends, today we are going to see how to prepare Paneer 65. So I have bought Paneer. Paneer is very good for health. It is rich in protein. It reduces the risk of cancer. It is good for your digestive system. It is protein rich and it also contains fat. So cholesterol patients eat in moderation. Others can eat, no problem. So cut Paneer into cubes. So the paneer is fully cut into cubes. Now mix the needed flour for paneer 65. Take 50 gram of rice flour, 50 gram of corn flour, 1 spoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of bhaji powder and 1 spoon of garam masala and little turmeric powder. Now add some salt and mix it with water. Mix the flour with water. Mix it well. Now it should be in a consistency that which is thicker than bhaji flour. Bhaji vida konja thicka irukanuma. Maavu. So take the paneer cubes and dip it in flour and add to the heating oil. Keep the stove in sim so that it doesn't over fry. So add each cubes. Dip each cubes in flour and add it to the oil and fry it. So paneer 65 is now getting ready. So this is a healthy snack for children. It is healthy for our bone and teeth. It controls osteoporosis. So this is a healthy evening snack for school children. Other than cholesterol patients, others can have it daily, but cholesterol patients can have it in moderation. Thank you dears. Enjoy this yummy snack.